Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today, guys, sister and brother? Introduce myself. My name is Rio Afrilardi. My nickname Rio. I am student Padang State of University, and I went to the engineering faculty. And number name 18073 okay. Well, I will explain about the mechanical properties of material. The material mechanical properties of metal of determined by range of Unsanov of the metal it established. The safely as expected mechanical properties are useful for head to specific and infinity. The metal and the most common properties they considered are strength, hardness, ductility, cleanness, toughness, stiffness, and impact resistance. Okay. Okay. Number one. Strength is the number one. Strength is the mechanical property that enables metal to resist deformation load. The strength of material is a capacity to withstand destruction under the action of external load. The stronger the material, the greater load it can withstand. Number two, elasticity. Okay. Elasticity, according to the Newton's electricity, the ability of object material resumes is a normal shape after being stripped of compression. When material loads applied to it, the load causes the material to deform. The elasticity of material, it is power of coming back its original position of the formation weight. The stress load it release has the spring rubber in good examples elastic material. Number three, plasticity. The plasticity of material is its ability to undergo some permanent deformation with about rupture and brittle. Plasticity deformation will take place only after the elastic has been extracted, pieces of deficiency, plastic occasion structure, material collection yield plastic scraps. Materials of ice, clay, lead plastic at room temperature, and steel plastic when electric red hat. Number four, hardness. Hardness, resistance of material force or penetration of bending is hardness. The hardness in the degree of hardness a material that can be inverted partially still by the process hardening. The determinants the depth and distribution of hardening is introduced by the question process. Number five, toughness is the property of a material which enables it to withstand shock and impact. Toughness, the imposed condition of brittleness. The toughness may be considering the combination of strength and plasticity. Magnesium steel, wrong iron, mild steel adds are example to this material. And number six, brittleness. The brittleness of our property of a material with enables to with bend permanent deformation. Cast iron, glass are example this material. They will break rather than and bend under shock or impact. Generally, the vital metal have its compressive strike but lock intensive strikes. Number 7, stiffness. It is mechanical property. The stiffness is the resistance of material to elastic deformation of dilation. In the stiffness as material sulfur like deformation under load has high degree of stiffness. The stiffness of structure is important. Many engineering application. So the modulus elasticity is of the primary properties when selection material. Number 8, ductility. The ductility is of property material which enables is to draw out into the wear. Metal, steel, copper, aluminium, the of good example to induced material. And 9, malleability. The malleability is protein of material which permits is to be hammer of rolling set of other sizes and shapes. Aluminium, copper, is lead. I are example of malleable metal. Malleable metal. Number 10. Cohesion. It is a mechanical property. The cohesion is property of solid body by virtue of which they resist from being broken into fragments. And 11, impact strike. Impact strike is the ability of metal resist to an application load. And fatigue. Fatigue is the effect to reflective straining or action which cause the strength of break of the material. And is that then fatigue describe the fatigue of material reflect stability ability forces and 30, the Surtees law and positive deformation of material which term is constant force. The simple state of crab deformation is the flash flow. Some metal are generally exhibiting crab high temperature, while we are plastic, rubber, and similar amorphous material are very temperature sensitive to crabs. The force for specificity rate of strain of constant temperature is strap strain. Okay. Okay, thank you guys and subscribe and share and like. Okay. Assalamualaikum.